Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azar and Arez Auto. I'm here to make a spare key for a 2015 Ford Edge. The customer have one working key. That's the working key. I'm going to make a spare key for the car. So, I have my two connected. We are going to Ford. Doing more status scan to check the system. The CM has 8 codes. Okay. None of the codes okay. So I'm going to add key. Start. If the factory alarm of the vehicle is activated, you need to deactivate the factory alarm first before you learn keys. To deactivate the factory alarm, close all doors, open the driver's door, put any PROS key in the reader slot. If it's a key ignition, insert the key in the ignition and turn it to the on position. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes before you hear 2 beeps for the vehicle, then the factory alarm is deactivated. This procedure will not erase existing key. Notice it is normal that the instrument panel turns black when performing this function. Turn the ignition to on position or open. Turn the ignition to the on position or open and close the driver door one time. The ignition is in the on position. Let me just open and close the driver door one time. Security accessing, please wait for about 3 to 10 minutes. I'll pause the video until you grant me security access. Okay, it was fast. 2 keys length. Please put the smart key to be learned into the back slot inside the center console. I couldn't actually find a slot here, but I still dropped the key anyhow. Let's see. Now, he has learned the key. It was initially 2 keys. He has learned 1 key. He's asking if do I want to learn the next key. Of course, the answer is no. There's no more keys to be learned. Our smart key successful. So Keys has been added. So let me do a rescan. So we have 2 keys. So let me test the new key. Okay. So former key. So both keys are working. So I will take out this key and I will start it with the new key. Let me take out this key. Let me start. Will I have this new key that's just been programmed? So it has been successfully done. Please share this video, like, subscribe to my channel, and hit on the notification bell to get more content. This is Azar and Arez Auto. We are into auto diagnosis, key programming, car stereo upgrade, and any other automobile services. Thank you for watching.